All right, so we're on 5.5 polynomials, and this is a lot of definitions. So the first thing we're going to be looking at is a polynomial, and a polynomial is a monomial or a sum of a monomial. So it's adding together the terms or even subtracting at that point. A monomial, remember, we've talked about already, is either a number, a variable, or a product of the numbers. So for example, 7x or 3y, so 7x or 3y. A binomial is a polynomial with exactly two terms, x squared plus 3. Remember, the terms are separated by addition or subtraction. A trinomial, again, kind of makes sense, is any polynomial with exactly 3 terms. So y squared plus y plus 2 would be 3 terms. The coefficient is the number factor in a term. So when you're looking at, see, it's all multiplied together. The coefficient is the number at the beginning of that term. Factors are multiplied together. So if I'm going to refer to something as a factor, like I just did up here, it's in multiplication. So the coefficient of this factor here is the 3. So what are the terms and their coefficients? Remember, terms are separated by plus or a minus sign. So this has 3 terms, 5y to the third, 6y, and negative 3. The coefficients are the numbers. So this one's coefficient is 5. This one's coefficient is 6. This one's coefficient is negative 3. If we're looking at degree of a term, so we have this problem here. The first term is 8, a to the fourth, b to the second. You add up the exponents of the variable. So for that term, 4 plus 2 would give me 6. For the second term, 3ab, remember there's a 1 there. So 1 plus 1 would be 2. There are no variables in the 7, so there is no degree. Right? Degree of a polynomial. You take the highest degree of the terms. So if we use that same problem from up above, the 8a to the fourth b squared had 6 as its degree, 3ab had 2 as its degree, and 7 had 0. So the degree of the polynomial would be 6.